All right, I'm going to show you real quick how you can do the exact same thing to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video for a YouTube short. I'm going to be making the short thumbnail. Now, if you notice, I actually have my portrait mode of the Star Wars intro open. So the reason being is I didn't generate the image beforehand for, like Gumroad and stuff. So what I need to do here is I need to change the resolution a bit. So let's see. So X needs to be 720. Y needs to be 128. And this is the size for the YouTube short thumbnail. So now I'm just going to render image. Perfect. Do image, save as. Go in here, YouTube short thumbnail, save as image. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.